here, Nana, all of you. Look here. Yesterday I take circular coil. Circular coil carries a current I. Circular coil radius capital R. This is the circular coil, Nana. Carries a current I. Circular coil radius is R. In the situation we want magnetic field at a point P. Okay, is a distance x from center of the circle. Look here. Yesterday I derived the formula, Nana. What is the formula for B axial? Gurtunda? B axial equal to mu naught n I r square by 2 into r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2. This is the formula for magnetic field induction on the axial line due to current carrying circular coil. Next, Nana, this point P shift to center. What happens to the x value? This is the current carrying wire. Its radius is capital R. Here point P shift to center. Simply small x value becomes 0. Here yesterday I derived. Here put x value 0. Magnetic field induction at center of the circular coil is mu naught n I by 2r. Magnetic field induction at the center of the circular coil is mu naught n I by 2r. Okay. First concept is B axial. Second concept is B center. Okay. That is the two concepts now. Axial by B center. Okay, ratio none equal to 1 by 1 plus x square by r square whole power 3 by 2. Okay, in the situation here above, what happens? 1 plus x square by r square whole power minus 3 by 2. Okay, here now. This is concept of binomial expansion in the mathematics. 1 plus x whole power n approximately 1 plus nx. These terms are neglected. 1 plus x whole power n write as 1 plus nx. It neatly write as, look here, Nana. Here n value is minus 3 by 2. X value is x square by r square. Here the solution is 1 plus, okay, what is the n value? N value is minus 3 by 2. X value is x square by r square. Okay. Finally to write, look here, Nana. Finally to write 1 minus 3 by 2 x square by r square. Left side write B axial by B center. Look here, Nana. B axial by B center. This is the final conclusion now. Okay. what is the formula for B axial by B center? 1 minus 3 by 2 x square by r square. Okay, this is the solution. Write down all. Okay, for example, x value greater than r. Simply, this is the circular coil, Nana, carrying a current I. Its radius r. We want to find magnetic field at point P. Okay, is a distance x. This x value is more compared to r. Nana, at point P, what is the magnetic field formula? B axial equal to, we know that, mu naught n I r square by q into r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2. According to condition, x value is much large compared to radius. Okay, x value is much large means r value neglect. Compared to x, r value neglect. Multiplication ఎప్పుడు నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయకూడదు. అడిషన్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ మాత్రమే నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయాలి. Compared to x, r value neglect. Okay, look here now. Here mu naught n I r square by, compared to x, r value is neglect, 2 into x power 3. Sir, this neatly write as, look here, mu naught by 4 pi, look here 4 pi right, here write 2 n I pi r square by x power 3. Any mistake? 2 times. Pi what? Cancel. Look here. Here mu naught by 4 pi. Okay. 2. Here n I pi r square write as area of the circular coil. Pi r square write as area of the circular coil. This is equation number 1. Look here. Nana, this is the circular coil. What is the use of circular coil? To produce the magnetic field. Similarly, I take short magnet. ఎందుకు అంటే ఇక్కడ radius is small, here length is small. I take short magnet. Every magnet have 2 poles. One is south pole, other one is north pole. In the situation, this is called axial line. In this point, to determine magnetic field due to bar magnet. Okay, center of the magnet to point P, distance is x. Compare చేసిన చూడండి, center to point P x, center to point P x. This is next chapter, Nana. Next chapter name magnetism. In the magnetism, B axial formula. In the magnetism, next chapter, mu naught by 4 pi 2m by x cube, equation number 2. Here circular coil compared to magnet. That means here what is the use of magnet? To produce the magnetic field. What is the use of current carrying circular coil? To produce magnetic field. Both are compare left side. B axial same. Mu naught by 4 pi, mu naught by 4 pi same. 2 same. X cube same. Equation 1 and 2 compare. Finally, What is the capital M value? Capital M value here. N, I, A. Simply here a circular coil is there. What is the formula for magnetic moment? Here capital M is called as magnetic moment. Magnetic moment formula is NIA. Here N is called number of turns, I is called current, A is called area of the circular coil. Once again I repeat, what is the formula for magnetic moment? Magnetic moment formula is NIA. Okay na? నానా ఇది ఎప్పుడు నానా సర్క్యులర్ కాయిల్ కనిపిస్తే సర్క్యులర్ కాయిల్లో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ మూమెంట్? NIA. హియర్ what is the N value? Number of turns in the circular coil. Number of turns in the circular coil. Completed. I is nothing but the current carrying in the circular coil. A, area of the circular coil, pi r square. Okay. Simply in the current carrying the circular coil, what is the formula for magnetic moment? NIA. NIA. The circular coil, NAA. Bar magnet have how many poles? 2 poles. One is south pole, other one is north pole. Look here now. This is the circular coil now. Circular coil carries a current I. Circular coil carries a current what nana? I. In the situation nana, direction of magnetic field determined by using Ampere right hand curl rule. First to take your right hand, Ampere right hand. According to right hand curl rule, curling in the direction of current. Thumb indicate the direction of magnetic field. Once again I repeat, curling indicate the direction of current. Thumb indicate the direction of magnetic field. Thumb indicate the direction of magnetic field. Okay? Once again, first to take your right hand. According to your right hand, current in the direction of curling. Okay, thumb indicate direction of magnetic field. Okay, యాక్చువల్గా మీకు గుర్తుందా వైర్ని ఇలా పెట్టుకుంటే వైర్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు థంబ్ ఏమి ఇండికేట్ చేస్తుంది? కరెంట్ డైరెక్షన్. కర్లింగ్ ఏమి ఇండికేట్ చేస్తుంది? మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ డైరెక్షన్. అంతే కదా? ఇది రివర్స్ కేస్. అంతే కదా? ఇక్కడేంటి సర్క్యులర్ కాయిల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు కర్లింగ్ కరెంటు, థంబ్ ఇండికేట్ ద డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్. హియర్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ అవుట్వర్డ్. Outward in the physics denoted by north pole. Outward indicate north pole. Simply na face of the coil north unte inner ga emuntadi south. Idu coil anukondi ikkada north unte ikkada emuntadi south, because in the magnetism monopoles do not exist. Simply single pole do not exist. Okay, for example, here look here now, current ఈ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఉందనుకో, తీసుకొని రైట్ హ్యాండ్ చూడాలి, యువర్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ హియర్ right hand, thumb indicate the direction of magnetic field. Look here magnetic field inward and it indicate face of the coil is south pole. Nana, magnetic lines inward, that is called south pole. Magnetic lines outward, that is called north pole. Suppose this is the coil. face of the coil south unte inner ga emuntadi north, because in the magnetism monopoles do not exist, dipole will be exist. Particle, charged particle moving in the circular path, moving in the circular path, okay, its velocity v, a charged particle moving in the circular path, okay, its velocity v. Find magnetic field induction at the center of the circular coil. Okay, to see the question, this is the circular path. In the situation, charged particle moving in the circular path radius always denoted by r. Flow of charging is nothing but the current to produce the magnetic field according to Oersted theory. Magnetic field at the center of the circular coil, we know the formula gurtunda meeku, B center gurtu cheyali, mu naught n I by 2r. Okay, this is the formula. Here circular coil have 1 turn, number of turns is 1. This is the formula for magnetic field induction at the center of the circular coil. Okay, in the situation, for example, I write as, look here, I basic definition, charge flowing per unit time. For example, this charged particle complete 1 revolution, that time is called time period. Once again I repeat, here I write as q by t, charged particle complete 1 revolution, that time is called time period. Okay, here right side nana, look here, mu naught by 2r, okay, q, reciprocal of the time period is called frequency. Reciprocal of the time period is called frequency. This is the first formula. Magnetic field at center in terms of time period. This is the first formula. Next formula nana, in terms of frequency, this is the second formula, B center. Okay, next nana, here we know that this is the equation number 2. In terms of omega ante 2 pi f can be write omega. Here B center equal to mu naught by 2r. Here q into, here f write as omega by 2 pi. This is the third equation nana. Okay nana, this is in terms of time period, this is in terms of frequency, this is in terms of angular frequency. Okay, these 3 equations are very useful to solve the problem. The question is, charged particle moves along the circular path. Okay, first B center basic formula. Here mu naught by 2r. Here I write as charge flowing per unit time. Okay. Here mu naught by 2r. Here q. Okay nana. Here time ante distance by velocity. here distance. For one revolution, the distance is 2 pi r. Okay, here mu naught. Okay, by here look here 2 into 2 pi 4 pi. Okay, pi na qv here v numerator nana qv by r into r square. This is the formula for magnetic field induction at a center. Here charge moving in the circular path. This formula is in terms of speed. Okay, sometimes charge is nothing but the electron antadu appudu q equal to e. What is the value of e? E value 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Here charge is nothing but the electron. For example, what is the electron charge? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Very important concept. Very important concept. Here coil unwound and rewound. Look here then. Important concept. Coil unwound or rewound. For example, this is the circular coil. Look here. This circular coil radius is R1, carries a current I. At a center, what is the magnetic field? Magnetic field induction, magnetic field formula is mu naught Ni by 2R1. Look here. Okay, here number of coils is OR. Look here, Nana. This is the circular coil. Radius is R. At the center, that is the formula for magnetic field induction. Okay. Here, Nana, this coil is unwound. Unwound means this coil is straightened. Okay. This coil is straightened. This circular coil is unwound means it becomes straight. And again rewound. Again rewound. Once again repeat. This circular coil is unwound and it becomes straight. And again rewound. Okay. In the situation, initially radius is R1. Number of turns is N1. Here N1 R1. Here the coil is unwound, again rewound. Here the radius is R2. Number of turns is N2. In the situation B center, this is B1, this is B2. B2 is mu naught N2 I by 2R2. Equation number 2. Equation number 1. Look here. The coil is unwound and rewound. Okay. The coil is unwound and rewound. Okay. Look here now. In the situation, what is the B1 by B2? Look here. P1 by B2. Here mu naught by 2 cancel. I cancel. B1 by B2 equal to N1 by N2 into R2 by R1. Okay. What is the B1 by B2 formula? N1 by N2 into R2 by R1. But తీసుకున్న వైర్ ఒకటేగా. ఈ వైర్నే ఇదిగో ఫస్ట్ ఇలా చుట్టాం. ఇదే వైర్ని మళ్ళా చిన్న సర్కిల్గా చుట్టాం. అంటే దీని మీనింగ్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద టూ సర్కిల్స్ సేమ్. లెంత్ అంటే ఏంటి? సర్కమ్ఫరెన్స్. సర్కమ్ఫరెన్స్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? 2πr, ఓకే, ఇంటూ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్న్స్. రైట్ సైడ్ 2πrn. హియర్ r1 n1 r2 n2. ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ లెంత్ సేమ్ చేసాం? వైర్ ఈజ్ సేమ్, ఓకే. హియర్ 2π cancel. According to this situation, what is the r2 by r1? r2 by r1. r2 by r1 is n1 by n2. Here write r2 by r1 write as n1 by n2. Here n1 by n2 into n1 by n2. Simply n1 by n2 whole square. ఈ తొక్కలో పోలంతా నాకు అవసరమా? ఏం అవసరం లేదు. బంగారు కొండలు. ఒకటే ఫార్ములా. కాయిల్ ఈజ్ అన్వౌండ్, ఓఆర్ఆర్ రీవౌండ్ కనిపిస్తే b1 by b2 ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ n1 by n2 whole square. The keyword in the problem, coil is unwound or rewound. What is the formula for b1 by b2? n1 by n2 whole square, okay, ORR. Look here n1 by n2 write as r2 by r1. Here r2 by r1, r2 by r1. Here r2 by r1 whole square. Based on data we use formula. The coil is unwound ORR rewound, unwound ORR rewound. b1 by b2 formula is n1 by n2 whole square ORR r2 by r1. పర్లేదు నాన్న, టైం అయితే అయిందిలే, ఓకేనా? ఒక 5 minutes ఉండండి. Circular coil naana, look here. In the circular coil at center, what is the magnetic field formula? Mu naught Ni by 2r. N ఏది సార్ అంటే you have 1 ton. 1 ton means n value is 1, okay. This is the equation number 1 completed, okay. This will be right in this manner. Look here, mu naught by 4 pi, okay, I by r into theta. Any problem? Look here this is the full circle. Full circle అంటే theta value Ajit Kumar any degrees? 360. 360 write as 2 pi. Here pi cancel, 2 times cancel, will get answer. Nana, any circular arc is there. What is the magnetic field induction formula? Mu naught by 4 pi into I by r into theta. For example, I take semicircle, current carrying semicircle. In the situation, the formula for B is, look here, mu naught I by 4 pi r into, what is the theta? Semicircle theta value is 180. In the mathematics, 180 write as pi. Pi what? Cancel. Finally we get mu naught I by 4r. For example, quarter of the circle will be taken. Quarter means 1/4. Nana, quarter means 1/4. Here nana, 1/4 means theta value 90. Theta 90, it write as pi by 2. Here, what is the center of the arc? Formula for B. mu naught I by 4 pi r theta value pi by 2